this video, we'll show you how to use the memory seats and seat adjustments in your Range Rover for maximum comfort. To adjust the front seats, the smart key needs to be in the vehicle and the ignition switched on. Make sure that no obstacles are in the path of the seat. Use the controls on the outer edge of the seat to make the adjustments. The long button at the lower edge of the controls is used to set several seat positions. Move the button forwards and backwards to move the seat forwards and backwards. Move the rear of the button up or down to adjust the height of the seat. Move the front of the button up and down to tilt the front of the cushion. The small button at the front of the controls adjusts the cushion length. Move the button forwards or backwards to increase or decrease cushion length. The lower vertical button at the rear of the controls adjusts the angle of the seat back. Move the button forwards and backwards to incline and recline the angle of the seat back. The upper vertical button at the rear of the control adjusts the head restraint. Move the button forwards and backwards to incline and recline the angle of the head restraint. Move the button up and down to adjust the height of the head restraint. The circular button at the top edge of the control is used to adjust the lumbar support. Press the front of the button to increase support. Press the rear of the button to decrease support. The top of the button to move the area of support further up the seat back, and the bottom of the button to move the support to lower down the seat back. Turn clockwise to inflate the side bolsters and counterclockwise to deflate. How to adjust the exterior mirrors. Adjust the mirrors using the controls on the driver's door. Select the appropriate button to adjust the left or right mirror. Use the joystick control to adjust the angle of the glass. How to store and recall your ideal driving position. Up to 3 seat positions can be stored for both driver and front seat passenger using the controls in the door. The driver's memory buttons will also store and recall the steering wheel and exterior mirror positions. Once you're happy with the position of the seat, steering column, and exterior mirrors, press the memory button. The indicator in the button illuminates. Press one of the preset buttons, 1, 2, or 3, within 5 seconds to memorize the current setting. Memory 1, 2, or 3 setting saved will display in the message center. To recall a saved setting, press the appropriate memory preset button. Memory 1, 2, or 3 settings recalled displays in the message center. For more information on your Range Rover, visit LandRoverUSA.com or contact your retailer.